Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss a new topic that's related to the equation of a circle. So this is going to be our part 2. Okay, before we begin, let's try to answer first this quick test. So we are going to have a review on how to complete the perfect square trinomial such as this. So in this example, we have x squared minus 20x plus blank. So how do we complete this perfect square trinomial? So to answer this, we just get the middle term. That's negative 20. You divide this by 2 and then you square. So yung negative 20 divided by 2, that will give us negative 10. And then we square that and that will give us 100. I want you to pause the video and try answering this for a few minutes. Okay, let's try to check your answers. Okay, for number 1, the answer is 25. So you get this by dividing negative 10 by 2. You get 5 and then you square it, it's 25. So number 2 naman, negative 20, the middle term, you divide it by 2, you'll get negative 11. And then you square that, negative 11 times negative 11 will be equal to 121. So number 3 naman, negative 12, divide that by 2, you'll get 6, and then you square, that will give you 36. Sa number 4 naman, you get the last term by dividing negative 6 by 2, you'll get negative 3, you square that, the answer will be 9. Sa number 5, 16, positive 16 is your middle term, you divide that by 2, you'll get 8, and then you square 8, you'll get 64. So this is essential in our topic for today. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a continuation on the equation of a circle. Kasi there are two ways on how you write the equation of a circle. So meron tayong general equation and we also have standard equation of a circle. So ano yung itsura or difference ng dalawa? The general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Wherein yung d, yung e nyo, are the numerical coefficients and then your f is a constant term. The equation is obtained by expanding the standard equation of a circle. The other way of writing the equation of a circle is called the standard equation. So, yung standard equation of a circle natin is x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Wherein yung r nyo is the radius and yung h and k nyo are the coordinates of the center of the circle. Okay, let's go to our subtopic number 1. How do we write a general equation of a circle into standard equation of a circle? So makikita nyo to dun sa mga activities na nasa inyong module. Okay, example natin dito is from x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Isusulat natin siya into the standard form na quantity of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, let's have our example number 1. So you have x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So ang first step natin dito is we combine all terms na may x, pagtabihin nyo siya, and then pagtabihin nyo lang din yung mga terms na may y. And then you get the constant term, i-transpose mo siya sa kabilang side ng equation natin. So we have x squared plus 4x plus blank plus y squared plus 6y plus blank is equal to 12. Now remember yung ating example kanina on how to complete the perfect square trinomial. So, ang gagawin lang natin para mahanap yung blank na nandito sa part na to, okay, you get the middle term, divide it by 2, and then you square. So, 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, and then you square. Yung 2 squared will give us 4. And then here, yung 6 divided by 2, bibigyan niya tayo ng 3. Then you square that, it will give us 9. Okay, next step is, okay, lahat ng inad mo dito sa perfect square trinomial natin na x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, itong positive 4 at yung positive 9, i-add nyo siya doon sa kabilang side ng ating equation. The equation ng ating equation. So, that will give us x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 12 plus 4 plus 9. So, next step natin dito is, okay, ang gagawin naman natin dito is paiiksiin natin yung ating perfect square trinomial. So, remember, paano yung mas madaling way dito? You get the square root of this, x squared. So, x yan. Get the square root of 4. That's 2. Square this. Sunod, plus. Get the square root of y squared. So, that will give us y. Square root ng positive 9. 3. Then you square. And then you add na lang. So, 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 9 will give us 25. So, tingnan natin yung ating final answer kung pareho. Okay, so you have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 25. So, yung nasa taas kanina, x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Yun yung ating general equation. At ito namang nasa baba, this is our standard equation of a circle. Example number 2 natin. So, you have x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, remember, gawin natin ulit yung i-group natin lahat ng may x, i-group yung lahat ng may y, and then transpose nyo si constant, si positive 9, doon sa kabilang side ng ating equal sign. And then, you get the middle term. So, yung 6 dito. So, 6 divide that by 2 is equal to 3. Square nyo yon will give us 9. And then, dito naman, negative 6 divided by 2 will give us negative 3. Tapos, square mo yon 9 pa rin yung lalabas. So, kung ano man yung inad mo sa kabilang side ng equation na to, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa kabila beside negative 9. So, since nagdagdag tayo ng positive 9, magdadagdag ka rin dito. Nagdagdag tayo ng positive 9, ganun din yung gagawin dito sa side na yan. Let's erase lang. Then, sulat na natin yung standard equation ng circle. So, paano ulit gagawin? You get the square root of x squared, magiging x yan. Get the square root of 9, yun ay 3. So, plus ang sign niya. X plus 3 squared. And then, dito sa kabila, you get the square root of y squared, yun ay y. Tapos, since minus to, so you have square root of 9 naman will give us 3 squared. And then, you add negative 9 plus 9 is 0. So, 9 na lang ang matitira. Check natin kung tama. So, you have x plus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay. This time, I want you to practice answering number 1 and number 2. You pause the video first. Then, after a few minutes, you check your own work. Let's go to the checking of your activity or your practice. So, we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 10y plus 40 is equal to 0 yung ating general equation. I-group nyo lahat ng may x, i-group lahat ng may y, ilipat natin yung constant. Change the sign. So, you have x squared minus 8x plus blank plus y squared minus 10y plus blank is equal to negative 40. So, lahat ng i-add natin or ilalagay natin dyan sa blank na yan will be added doon sa tabi ni negative 40. So, negative 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So, 16 na to, i-add mo rin dito sa kabila. So, dito naman, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 squared is 25. So, kung anong in-add mo dito, yun ang i-add mo sa kabila. Okay, next step natin is, isulat na natin yung standard form. So, you get the square root of x squared, yun ay x. Get the square root of 16, that's 4. Copy itong sign na negative. So, you have x minus 4. And then, you square that. Sunod, get the square root of y, yun ay y. Copy yung sign na negative. Then, square root ng 25 is 5. Sunod, solve nyo yun nandito sa kabila. So, negative 40 plus 16 plus 25. So, final answer natin is x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 1. Practice number 2. General equation natin is x squared plus y squared minus 14x minus 8y plus 61 is equal to 0. Combine nyo lahat ng may x, combine lahat ng may y, and transpose si positive 61. Sunod, lahat ng i-add natin dun sa blank ay i-add doon sa negative 61. So, yung negative 40 natin dito, divide by 2, makukuha natin negative 7, square nyo, lalabas si 49. Si negative 8 dito, divide this by 2, negative 4 yung lalabas, square that, it will give us 16. So, lahat ng in-add nyo, 49, 16, i-add natin kay negative 61 dito sa side na to. Okay, sunod na step, isulat na natin yung standard equation of a circle by getting the square root of x squared pala, and then copy the sign na minus. The square root ng 49 is 7. Tapos, square nyo. Plus, get the square root of y. Copyhin yung sign dito, minus. Square root ng 16 is 4. Square that. And then, negative 61 plus 49 plus 16 ay isolve. Okay, that will give us x minus 7 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 4. So, yung nasa taas kanina, itong given natin, that's the general equation. At itong nasa baba naman, that's the standard equation of a circle. Okay, let's go to the second topic. So, how do we write a standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle? So, ang sistema naman dito is baliktad. Okay? So, from x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Susulat natin siya into the general equation na x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, pag tinignan nyo ha, nauuna yung x squared, susundan siya ng y squared, tapos yung variable na may, yung numerical, yung term na may x, at yung term na may y plus the constant term equals 0. So, how is it done? Example number 1 tayo. So, you have x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 plus y plus 3 raised to 2 is equal to 25. So, how do we write this in general equation? So, ang gagawin natin is isosolve na natin, i-expand. So, ang x plus 2 squared, that will be equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus yung y plus 3 natin, ito. At this time, dapat kaya nyo nang mag-sulat or i-expand agad yan kasi you are in grade 10 na. So, you have y plus 3 squared. So, y squared yan plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, sunod na step dito. Okay, pagsamahin nyo lahat ng constant term, which is 4, yung 9, at saka yung 25. So, nandito sila sa dulo. Dito ko siya nilagay. So, 4 plus 9 minus 16, isolve nyo to. Tapos, ayusin nyo na lang, i-arrange nyo na lang yung format natin na x squared, sunod nyo si y squared, sunod si 4x, tsaka si plus 6y. So, answer is x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, pansinin nyo, Kapag binigay sa inyo yung standard equation ng circle, pwede nyo kunin yung general equation. And from general equation, pwede nyo isulat yan into standard form. Example number 2 tayo. So you have x plus 3 raised to the power of 2 plus y minus 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9. So ito yung standard equation natin. Isusulat naman natin into general equation. So how is it done? So expand nyo muna yung x plus 3 squared. So yan ay magiging x squared. So ito, ipo-point ko lang. X squared plus 6x plus 9. At itong kabila naman na y minus 3 raised to the power of 2 is y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 9. Sunod na step, pagsamahin nyo lahat ng constant. So si 9, at saka yung 9 na nandito sa kabilang side ng equation, ipapasok nyo ha, transpose that pabalik. So you have x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 plus 9. So, itong 9 natin kanina nandito, transpose natin kaya siya naging negative 9. Okay, sunod-sundan natin yung format ng general equation. Una muna yung x squared, followed by y squared, followed by plus 6x minus 6y, and then solve nyo yung 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 9 will give us 9 is equal to 0. Okay, I want you to practice answering number 1 and number 2 here. So, from the standard equation, pakisulat siya into general equation. You pause the video, try answering this by yourself. Okay, let's check practice number 1. So you have x minus 4 raised to the power of 2 plus y minus 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 1. So ang sabi natin kanina, para maisulat to into general equation, you expand yung ating x minus 4 raised to the power of 2. And then expand din yung y minus 5 raised to the power of 2. So you'll get x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 1. Sunod na step, itong ating positive 1 na nasa kabilang side ng equation ay i-transpose nyo. And then pagsama-samahin, pagtabihin lahat ng constant. So you have x squared minus 8x plus y squared minus 10y plus 16 plus 25 minus 1. I-solve natin yung 16 plus 25 minus 1 at i-arrange naman yung format natin following the format ng general equation. So, una si x squared, sunod si y squared, sunod si negative 8x, sunod si negative 10y, tapos yung constant natin after you add 16, 25, and minus 1. So, you'll have x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 10y plus 40 is equal to 0. Let's answer practice number 2. So you have x minus 7 raised to the power of 2 plus y minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So sabi natin earlier, you expand lahat ng square binomials na nakikita dito. So you have x minus 7 raised to the power of 2 is equal to x squared minus 14x plus 49 plus yung y minus 4 raised to the power of 2 natin will be equal to y squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 4. Okay, so na-expand na natin. Next step is, ilipat natin si positive 4 dito, pabalik dun sa kabilang side, at pagtabi-tabihin natin lahat ng constant. So, yung 49 at yung 16, tsaka yung transpose natin na 4. So, you have x squared minus 14x plus y squared minus 8y plus 49 plus 16 minus 4. So, isolve niya yung 49 plus 16 minus 4 will give us 61. Tapos, i-arrange nyo na lang according sa general equation natin. Una yung x squared, sunod yung plus y squared, minus 14x ang sunod, minus 8y, and then your constant, which is positive 61. So, yung final answer natin dito, when you write the standard form na x minus 7 raised to the power of 2 plus y minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4, magiging general equation niya ay x squared plus y squared minus 14x minus 8y plus 61 is equal to 0. Sana naging helpful yung ating video tutorial for this topic. So, pwede nyo nang sagutan yung mga activities na nasa inyo. Thank you for watching.